All right, now you're ready to answer the rest of the proficiency questions on your assessment. Question number 2 has a couple of parts to it. It says, explain the model of the chemical reaction you completed above. That's where you're going to say, here's what we did, and you're going to explain what we did and what actually happened. The next part says, how do you know that a chemical reaction occurred? What sign of a chemical reaction tipped you off? So that's where you're going to pick one of those 5 big signs of a chemical reaction. I just want the main one. Only one. Pick one sign that you notice the most and write about that one. And then I want you to tell me how you showed that in your model. How did you show that sign happening? When you're done, you can unpause the video and move on to question number 3. Question number 3 says, using the model you just created, your prior knowledge, and the notes you took on the masses of the reactants, you need to predict what the mass of the products will be when I put everything back on the balance. Think about what was created, what the law of conservation of mass says, and be sure to explain your prediction. Remember, yesterday we talked about the fact that predict means you got to make a guess, but we're not just picking a number out of thin air. You're using what the law of conservation of mass says, as well as the other information that you have, to make an educated guess that you can actually explain to me. Think this through and give me a good guess. I need an actual number for your prediction. What is that mass going to be? Once you finish this question, please double check all of your answers. That might mean you need to rewatch the videos. Double check everything for pictures, labels, and masses. And then you have one of 2 choices. You can either be done with your assessment and turn it in, or you can watch the final video, which is for the mastery questions.